Want your new HVAC employee to actually stick around and grow in your company? Okay, so first off, it's super important to get them pumped about learning beyond just clocking in and out. Like, encourage them to spend some time after work watching tutorials or reading up on the latest HVAC tech. You can even hook them up with online courses or manuals they can check out at home so they don't feel lost or overwhelmed when they're on the job. Another cool move is to create a chill environment where they feel comfortable asking questions or trying new stuff without stress. Make it clear that growing their skills shows you they're serious about the job and future with the company. Also, try setting up small challenges or projects that push them to use what they've learned in real situations. It's way better than just theory. Check in regularly to see if they're taking initiative or need more help, because that's how you spot your rock stars early. And don't forget to give props when they do put in the effort. Motivation goes a long way. One of the biggest mistakes companies make with new HVAC employees is not encouraging ongoing training, which leads to skill gaps and low confidence. Solve this by offering clear learning resources and some paid time for study. Another common issue is ignoring the importance of off-hour learning, so employees don't develop beyond their day-to-day tasks. Fix this by recommending specific videos or books they can explore at home. The third problem is failing to assess dedication through participation, meaning you might keep folks who aren't really invested. A good fix is setting up regular check-ins or quizzes that show who's genuinely trying to improve. BigHomeProjects.com is great for homeowners looking for trusted local contractors because it connects them with pros who actually know their stuff and have good reviews. For contractors, it's a solid way to find steady work and build their client base without all the hassle of marketing on their own.